In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit WordPress HTML. Understanding how to edit HTML can be incredibly useful, especially if you're looking to customize your website beyond the limitations of your current theme or plugin. WordPress is a robust platform that allows for significant customization, but to make the most out of it, grasping some HTML basics can provide that extra bit of flexibility and control over your site. First, let's begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will make finding your way around a bit easier as we dive into more specifics. Now, locate the left-hand menu and click on Appearance. Under Appearance, select Theme Editor. This step is crucial as it takes you directly to the built-in editor where you can access the theme files on your website. At this point, you're in the Theme Files section, where you'll see all the files that make up your specific WordPress theme. On the right-hand side, a list of these files is displayed. Before making any changes, I highly recommend creating a child theme or backing up your original theme files. This way, you can easily restore your website in case something goes wrong. Now, decide which part of your site you want to edit. Suppose you want to adjust the header or footer. The corresponding files are usually named header.php or footer.php. For more comprehensive changes, like adjusting the layout of your blog posts, look for files named single.php or index.php. Whichever you choose, click on the file name to open its content in the editor. With the file open, you'll now see the actual HTML mixed with PHP, the programming language WordPress is built on. Though the mix of code may look intimidating at first, focus on recognizing HTML tags, such as the ones for headers, paragraphs, and images. To make a minor change like adding text or embedding a video, look for specific HTML tags where you want this new content to appear. Once you're confident in the modifications you've made, scroll down to the bottom of the editor and click the Update File button. This will save the changes you've made and immediately apply them to your website. Head over to your page and refresh it to see how the new HTML change looks in action. If something doesn't look right, don't panic, simply go back to the theme editor and fine-tune until everything appears as you want. And that's it. You've successfully edited your WordPress HTML. Remember, editing HTML gives you a lot of power over how your site functions and looks, but always proceed with caution and consider backups as your safety net. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.